This seat is so squeaky. Oh, okay. This seat is squeaky. This seat is squeaky. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I was wanting to do something a little bit different, and I've been wanting to do it for a while now. I wanted to do a closet clean out, and I want to show you guys just me cleaning out my closet. So the end of 2018 is right around the corner, and I thought it'd be great to show you guys the things that I'm leaving in 2018. And yeah, I'll be taking these items to the nearest donation box I can find, so someone else can enjoy my old clothes items. Let's get right to it. Let's see what the first item will be. Okay, no one tell my mom, but I'm getting rid of this. Oh, look at this huge pile of clothes that I probably have to fold now. I shouldn't have thrown them on my bed. It's too late to think of that. So now I want to show you guys some of the things that I'm going to be giving away. So before we go into it, I just wanted to let you guys know why I'm getting rid of all these things. So first of all, they are no longer the kind of clothes that I'm looking for. They're no longer in the style that I prefer. These were clothes that I probably got while I was in high school, and I just don't use them anymore. And because I don't use them anymore, the best thing to do is to donate them. Now, this is the part of my video where I'm going to beg you guys to not throw away your clothes when you are no longer using them. If you no longer want some clothes, please donate them. The impact that throwing away clothes has on our earth it's astounding. It's astonishing. When I was doing research this past semester, and when these clothes are sent to the dump, when they're burned, they release a chemical that becomes a greenhouse gas, and because of that we have a lot of global warming, and a lot of issues that we're seeing of our earth slowly dying is because of reasons like this. The fashion industry is the second most deadly company or corporation to our planet after gas. So I think it's really important for us to be knowledgeable about fast fashion, but also to know that donating our clothes is super important because it gives them a new life. Because although this dress, I may no longer like it, I know someone else might. And yeah, it gives new life to these clothes rather than sending them to a dump to be burned, and then it affects our planet. So with that being said, I'm just going to go into this real quickly. First thing are my pants from high school. No longer need them. This dress, I used to love it, but it's really short on me now because I was like in 8th grade when I got this. I've been the same like weight and almost the same height since like 8th grade, 7th grade, so a lot of these clothes I've probably had since middle school, and that's really sad, and that's another reason why I'm getting rid of them. This one, I don't know, I don't see myself wearing this anymore, so I just getting rid of it. My gosh, this, do you remember when these shirts were in trend, like the ones that like, yeah, when I found this shirt at the thrift actually. When I found this shirt 3 years ago, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to take this. And I wore it a ton, and it was really itchy, but since it was kind of on trend, I was like, you're gonna suffer through this pain, but you're gonna look good. This one, I wore this on my second day of college. I don't know why I remember this, but I just do. And so, it's been 4 years. This Abercrombie & Fitch shirt should have gone years ago. I'm not even joking. I probably got that in 9th grade. So, in 2011. It's about to be 2019. So, this very long dress, when I got it, when my mom bought it for me, I thought this was like Coachella vibes, and I had like those really big glasses, and I had a flower crown, and I was like, yeah. Thank God I have seen the light and no longer think that was cute. Oh my gosh, this was the shirt I wore to my One Direction concert. in 2014. I'm getting rid of this shirt with a heavy heart because I know I'm never gonna wear this disaster again. But it was such a cute fit. I wore it with Vans. I saw Harry Styles for the first time in this shirt, okay? So there's a lot of sentimental value, and I think that's the only reason I've kept it this long. The next thing is this shirt that reminds me of a manta ray. Doesn't it look like... looks like a little ghost. Like, ooh, I don't know. I just think it looks like a little. Do I look like the Virgin Mary? No. Okay. Sorry. Moving on. There's like a bunch of other things, as you can see, just a bunch of dresses and pants and stuff, but I won't bore you guys with that, but I just wanted to let you guys know how important it is to go through your closets and to take out the things that you're no longer using, because although you might not find a purpose for it, someone else might love it and can repurpose it in a beautiful way. So I just encourage you guys to go into the new year with less clutter, more positivity, and more love, because we need a lot of that, especially here in the United States of America. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick decluttering video, and I plan on making another video very soon. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!